Hey there, Titans! Welcome back to another Titan Academy video. Today, I will show you how to trigger a Titan flow from a Titan sign document once the document has been signed. In our example today, I have a very simple document here with two signers, and what I want to do is I want to have here an additional checkbox and input field, and whenever this is checked, an additional email with the signed document will be sent to whatever email is inputted over here. So both of these are currently assigned to our second signer, and what we can do is we can head over to Flow, where I have a flow set up here with some parameters. So over here I have a parameter for the checkbox, the send email checkbox, the actual email input, and our signed document. Now actually over here what I want to do is I want to check if my send email checkbox, I'm going to select params and I'm going to select send email, is equal to true. In true, and only in that case do I want to send my email. Now this is just a simple send email node where I'm attaching the attached document. So we can publish this flow and we can head over back to our Titan sign document, where under document we have document submit and we can enable trigger Titan flow. Once we set that, we can head over to the configuration and we can go ahead and select our flow. So it's called additional emails, and I can configure our parameters. So we have firstly the send email parameter. This is the send additional emails to checkbox. We have the email parameter, which is our text input. And for document, we want to map your document, which is our signed document. So we can hit apply. Save this, and I will quickly grab a link to this sign project. Okay, so here I am in the document, already signed as my first signer, and here I am as my second signer, so we can sign the document, and we can choose to send additional emails, and we can say, let's send it to my email plus additional. And if we do sign now and finish sign, in just a moment we should see an email, so here it is. I can see my additional email. Got an email here with our signed document from both parties. And that's how it's done.